student, please subscribe my channel if you like my video. Thank you for watching. Here we are discussing MCQ for redox as well as electrochemistry. See, the electric charge for electrode deposition of 1 gram equivalent of substance is 1 ampere per second. Wrong. This is wrong. 96500 coulomb per second, wrong, because they have significant per second, that is why it is wrong. 1 ampere for 1 or this is also wrong. Charge on 1 mole of electron, yes, this is true. Why? Because 1 gram equivalent is the charge on 1 mole of electron, that is equal to 1 Faraday. 1 gram equivalent, 1 Faraday is equal to 96500 coulomb. This will carry by 1 mole of electron, so I equated all of them. Now aqueous solution, next question, of potassium manganate and acid. Oxidation number of Mn in reactant and product options are given. Here I did it correctly. Twice of K2MnO4 plus H positive is twice of KMnO4 plus MnO2 plus KOH. Okay, here you will see that K2MnO4 oxidation state of Mn plus 6. In KMnO4 oxidation state of Mn is plus 7, and here Mn is having plus 4 oxidation state, here Mn is having plus 7, here Mn is having plus 6. So D, none of these is correct, okay, because there are change in 3 space, 1 reactant and 2 products. Mn oxidation state is changed. Okay, this is disproportionation reaction. What it is called? Disproportionation. Disproportionation. NATION. Okay, because self-oxidation and self-reduction takes place. Now, change in oxidation state, if any, in aqueous solution of potassium chromate and acid react together, so no oxidation state is changed. Why? See here, K2CrO4 plus 6 oxidation state, because it is having 2 negative charge. So it is having plus 6 oxidation state, and this chromium is also having plus 6 oxidation state. So there will be no change in oxidation number. Sometimes they are giving, so at that time you have to select no change. Okay, no change in oxidation state, no change. Clear to you? So no change in oxidation state. Here I have written no change in oxidation state of chromium from when potassium dichromate is acidified, will get K2Cr27 plus water. Okay, no oxidation state will be changed. Clear to you? Again I will repeat. K2MnO4 give KMnO4 and MnO2. This is disproportionation reaction. Mn plus 6 2 plus 4. This is reduction of state will take place. Here Mn6 plus 6 2 plus 7 oxidized.